In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to change font size. No code needed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your site's text size using built-in controls, see changes in context, and safely publish them for visitors. Start by opening your new site from the Squarespace dashboard so you're working inside the site editor. From the left sidebar, go to the Events page. You can use any page with text, but a page that already has headings and paragraphs makes it easier to preview your adjustments in real time. Next, move into Edit mode. Hover over the page and follow the highlighted prompts you see on screen to enter the section or block editor. Keep clicking the highlighted controls that appear until the page's editing tools are visible. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see the on-page toolbars and the settings panel on the side. Click the text block that contains the sample Hello content to select it. With the text block active, use the highlighted option that opens text settings. Now choose Text in the side panel. This is where Squarespace groups typography controls for your site's text styles. You'll see options to adjust sizes for headings and paragraphs. Use the size sliders or scale controls to increase or decrease the font size. As you make changes, watch the page preview update so you can balance hierarchy. Larger for headings, comfortable for body text. A few quick tips while you adjust. Aim for clear readability. Body text that feels effortless to read typically sits around a medium size on desktop. Make sure your headings step down in a clear rhythm so visitors can scan the page. If your template offers separate mobile previews, glance at those to confirm the text isn't too large or too small on phones. And if a change feels off, use the Undo option in the editor to step back. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to commit your changes to the page. Then click Exit to leave the editor and return to your site overview. If you see a highlighted prompt to navigate back to the main menu, click that as well. From there, go to Home to confirm your site-wide styles look consistent. Finally, select Publish Your Site so your updated font sizes go live. That's it. You adjusted your Squarespace font sizes with zero code, previewed changes in context, and published confidently. If you want to refine the look further later, just return to the same text panel